Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join the clan war to get the point from it to increase or to leveling up your clan tier. So click the clan button at the bottom of your screen. This is your clan war progress page. So what you have to do is join the clan war. Click the join of the clan war at the left of your screen. So there are 3 nodes that you can join to increase your clan war point. So I choose the Blazing Blitz. As you can see, there are mission or there are tasks that you have to accomplish by kill enemy in battle royale. Each kill earns 20 points from it. So let's go and start. So welcome to battle royale mode clan war. So I'm playing with my friend. This is not a solo game, so you have to team up with your friends. So we need to jump first. So we already land already in game. So what you need to do is shoot or kill more your enemy to get more points from it. There are 20 points that you can get if you kill one enemy. So I need to prepare before going to war. So there are enemy nearby, so I have to shoot him. So the enemy is upstairs, I have to kill him to get more point. So my enemy already dead, so I get point from it, 20 points. So you can try by join the clan war. The more you kill the enemy, the more the point you can get. Thank you, that's all for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.